Kept you waiting, didn't I? Well, it's been a pretty sad year for us so far in 2023. We at the Rose Gradient YouTube channel feel like it's time to take some responsibility for not keeping up with our upload schedule. So I, Mr. Pink, have something to tell you. I have something that I couldn't show you before, but I think it's time. It's time for this naughty little secret to come out. And I think it's high time the beauty meets the beast. This is a very interesting monster to tackle on its own. This is the Beast seltzer created by the guys who made Monster Energy. I initially bought this to get a review. I don't usually review alcohol because I'm a little wiener, but well, in this case I'd be a big wiener. This isn't an actual monster. This is just a seltzer. I was expecting some caffeine. Monster, how are you not gonna have caffeine in your drink that you advertise to look like a hard monster? My hard monster is no longer hard. I am soft, because this doesn't have any caffeine in it, okay? Now, first things first, I wanted to mention that... Oh! It still smells like a monster. The tried and true formula is still there. Honestly, pretty hard to tell if this actually had alcohol in it or not. The initial impressions is, wow, if you put two side by side, I don't think I could tell the difference. And stay tuned, because we're gonna test that out. Well, if it looks like a monster, smells like a monster, hopefully it tastes like a monster too. We're gonna give it our first impressions. Okay, there's definitely a difference in taste. You really can't feel the alcohol at all. It's a bit, I think, less sweet than a monster. Yeah, but yeah, it just kind of tastes pretty much like a monster. I'd only be able to tell a difference if I was really paying attention, honestly, like I am now, as for a review. Yeah, and like the aftertaste is just like a monster, like that syrupy, you know, like aftertaste of monster. I don't know if you ever noticed, but
not too much alcohol.
No, honestly, I can't tell. I'm not a big drinker, and if there wasn't blaring pink lights at me, you'd notice my skin's starting to turn a little red. This is 6% alcohol, and it's pretty nuts.
Does it taste like the green one?
Yeah, it just tastes like base monster. However, I haven't had a base monster in a while, so let's do a compare and contrast, alright? Bring on the next monster. Alright, here we have a classic monster, the original formula itself. We're gonna see if it actually tastes like a monster. Yeah, it just straight up does taste like it. Okay, I can get what you mean by spicy monster. Okay, now that I have tried both of them at the same time, you do kind of get a hint of the alcohol. I just thought that was just the monster taste, honestly. Like, yeah, it's pretty similar. It's crazy, you know. However, guys who make Monster, listen up real close. You should add caffeine to it, you know. Since you're selling it as a hard monster, you know, it would be preferable if you add caffeine. Your boy needs to stay awake while being hammered, apparently. As I prefer this one so far. That one I think is better.
The original.
However, this is, I think, the first alcoholic beverage I can drink without, like, making a bitch face. I don't know if you know what a bitch face is. As Mango eloquently put it, it's this, yeah. Oh! You ever drink alcohol? You just think it's a little too strong? Ooh! That's me with pretty much everything except this so far. So congratulations, you guys did well. It is a good seltzer, I think is what it's called. Cocktail, alcoholic beverage that isn't a beer. Yeah, so far, hopefully this beast has motivated you to stay on this channel for a lot longer. And if you like it, we got more beasts to review. This was actually more difficult to find than I thought it was. Because I initially found it at a place called H Mart. So I thought, oh, it's everywhere if it's in such a niche place to have, you know, drinks. Lo and behold, I went to another Asian supermarket. This time it's called the San Gabriel Superstore. And obviously San Gabriel. And they had it too. So I was like, wow, this shit's everywhere. This must be popping. It turns out that this isn't really sold in anywhere else except Asian superstores and supermarkets. And like very specific ones too, because it wasn't at the 99 Ranch Market and it wasn't at Green's Farmers Market, I think. If you do see it at the store, I do recommend it. For a decent price too, it's about the same price as this. In fact, this was probably more expensive. Normally these are like $2.50. This was, yeah, around $2.50 as well at the store I got it from. Maybe a bit more, but honestly, it was only like $5 for the two I bought at H Mart. I could not find this specific flavor for the life of me because I forgot it for the video. Unfortunately, I'm an unorganized mess, dude. So I bought the other two flavors. So, you know, like and subscribe. Make sure to comment that you know that you want these videos or you want the other two reviewed. But I couldn't find this one anymore. Luckily, I purchased one before. I guess all the original ones sell out, so I'm guessing this is the best one. Yeah, for a decent price, decent drink, it's great. I would recommend it if you're over 21. Remember to drink responsibly. Any last comments? I think would be just, I hope they have a caffeine version, like Four Locos. I think Four Locos has caffeine in it, right? And so yeah, please make a Monster. Please make a Four Locos so I can be cool at parties, drink the alcohol. This is probably the end of the video. So saying goodbye is so hard on the corazon, you know. Like I said, you know, it wasn't really a joke that 2023 was a pretty bad year for us. A lot of things changed in our personal lives, so we couldn't really like make videos. However, we're gonna try to be on it. To make sure we're gonna be on it, we even bought drinks ahead of time this time. And hopefully we'll get on there. And we even have some ideas. We're gonna have more Guilty Gear gameplay because apparently that does really well. Well, who needs editing, right? But yeah, anyways, thank you again for your continued support. I hope you do continue to keep watching. Have a great day. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. And what the fuck? You see it? You see it? Cheers. Cheers.
I did a mango face. Oh, that tastes like shit.
I guess too much is not a good thing, huh?
Yeah, when you have to chug it, that's so bad. Oh.
Oh, you gotta finish it off, huh? Congratulations, you did it.
Oh.
Like and subscribe.
For you, fucking Rose Gradient. Oh fuck. That's pretty good. That's gonna be sticky.